Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing great. So dear viewers, today I am back with another video. In this video, I am going to share with you such a beautiful and unique centerpieces about Christmas. All the ideas are very unique and beautiful, which is very helpful. So watch the video till end. Keep supporting me, keep liking my videos, and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Thank you. Stay blessed, stay happy, have a nice day.